Hi guys, welcome back to my series Food 2D in Blender 3D. I will show you how I make a cute little 2D donut. You can find the reference model link down in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot. We will start with Shift A. Go to Mesh, add a torus. There will be a Add Torus menu. Open it. Increase minor radius to 0.5. Go to Z-axis. Press Tab. Go to Edit Mode. Turn on X-ray. We will drag the mouse to choose the top of the donut. Shift D to duplicate it. Press P to separate that part. For the icing, go to Modifiers, add Modifiers and add Solidify. Increase offset to 1. Increase thickness to 0.1. Add soft division surface. Increase viewport to 2. For the donut, add soft division surface. Increase viewport to 2. Go to the Z-axis, press Tab. To go to Edit Mode, turn on Symmetry along the X-axis and Proportional Editing, so that when we try to move vertices, it will automatically choose Symmetry Vertex and see the circle. The circle represents the area of influence around it. You can adjust the effect by scroll the mouse up and down. Press Tab. Go to Object Mode. Go to X-axis. Click on Icing. Press Tab to go to Edit Mode. Turn on Snap Tool and select Face Project option. In that case, the icing will place nicely on donut surface no matter how we move it. Click on Icing. Go to UV mode. Press Tab to go to Object Mode and apply Solidify. Press Tab again to go to Edit Mode. Turn on UV Sign Selection and check Live Unwrap in option. Press 2 on keyboard or choose Edge Select. Choose any edge you want to UV. Hold Ctrl and choose another one. There will be a menu named Pick Shortest Path. Change Select to Tag Seam, so that you will see it auto UV on left window. Do the same with the inner surface. I will define the top surface of the icing. Press A for all. Press R to rotate the UV. Shift A to add a reference image. Go to Render. Click on Color Management. Change AGX to Standard. Change None to Very High Contrast. This adjustment will show the vibrant and realistic color of the object. Go to Material Review. On the left corner, choose Shader Editor. Click New to add material. Add shader to RGB and color ramp between two nodes. Change liner to constant. Click plus to add new shade. Change into gray to see the difference. Right-click and choose Shade Smooth. Adjust color ramp to satisfy. You can also use color ramp to change the object's color. White will be main color, gray and black will be the shade color. For the icing, click New to add material. Also, add shader to RGB and color ramp. Change liner to constant. Click plus to add gray shade. Adjust till happy. But unlike the donut, I'll Shift A to add Texture Coordinate node. From UV, drag it to add Mapping. Add image texture. Add RGB curves. Shift A again to add mixed color. A section is represent dark color and B section is bright color. Change the color to match the reference image. Link RGB curves with A section. Image texture with B. Link color round with fact. Result with surface. Add image texture. Click New. Choose New Image. Go to Texture Pane mode. Fill with pink like in the image. Go to Layout mode. Adjust RGB curves and color ramp till satisfied. Go back to Texture Pane mode, outdraw face and topping on it. Press A for all. Press R to rotate the donut. Shift A. Go to Light. Add a sun. Move it to the front. Go to Render mode. Go to Data section. Increase the light intensity. Shift D to copy a few more sun. Keep adjusting till it looks right. Shift A. Go to Crease Pencil and add blank. Move it up. Go to Modifiers, add Modifier and add Line Art. Change Collection to Object. Object choose Donut. Layer choose GB Layer. Material choose Black. Change Size in Thickness section. To see the line art, we need to add a camera. Press 0 or right-click to choose Set Active Camera. Place the camera like this. To change the color of line art, go to Material. Adjust Paste Color to dark brown. Add another line art. Change Collection to Object. Object to Icing. Layer choose GB Player. Go to Material. Click Plus. Click New to add new material. Go to Modify section. Material choose Material 001. Go to Material section to adjust to pink. Increase the thickness. Shift A. Go to Empty. Add Plane Axis. Move Venti to the center of donut. Choose Camera. Hold Ctrl and choose Empty. Press Ctrl plus P. Choose Object to connect together. Move mouse to this position. drag to open another window. Press 0 or right-click to set active camera. Go to timeline mode. Go to Z-axis. Turn on record. Choose empty. Press R. Left-click to set the starting point. We will see a yellow dot at frame 1. Drag timeline to frame 75. Press R. Rotate to second position. Left-click to define. Move mouse to first yellow dot, Shift D, and drag it to frame 150. This is our result. Go to Shader Editor. Change Object to World. To prevent the background from affecting the donut's color, I'll add a few notes. Click on Background. Shift D to duplicate it. Shift A to add Mix Shader. Shift A again to add Light Path. Link it with Fact. That way, one background controls the light intensity, while the other sets the background color. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below so we can figure it out together. And don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. Thank you guys so much. Bye bye.